today. So practical application. Brushing or combing hair. Here we go. It is absolutely forbidden to brush or comb hair or beard on Yom Tov with a brush or a comb that has hard bristles. Right? If you have plastic or metal, for sure, it is forbidden. This applies equally to men and women. Since all people have some loose or knotted hair, brushing or combing with hard bristles, bristled implement invariably will pull out some hair. So meaning it was loose, meaning it was hanging. Maybe it fell out before, right? But it was like still hanging there. Maybe, but maybe it was only loose, and now when you were brushing, so you actually pull it completely, right? In violation of the Melachos of Shearing, so we're not allowed to do. It is permitted, however, to straighten one's hair with the fingers. So when you do with the fingers, like fix it, most likely it's you're not going to pull out any hair. Right, but with the brushes, with the hard bristles, right, for sure you're going to do to pull some. Continue. The use of the brush is permitted only in the following three conditions are met. So, number one, the brush must be very soft bristles that give way when they meet resistance. Thus, when they encounter a knot, the person will realize it and will refrain from applying pressure. So, I think they're talking about these bristles from actually like a natural one, from animals, right? So like synthetic ones, they are more harder, but those one is not so hard, but very, very soft. So that would be allowed, okay? Number two, one may not brush forcefully or excessively, since even the brush with the soft bristles will inevitably pull out loose hair if applied forcefully or excessively. Okay, so again, it must be no pressure. Only a few light strokes are permitted, even though these strokes may be insufficient to make the hair appear perfectly groomed. So he said, if you need so much, maybe a few strokes and that's it, and it's soft bristles and no pressure. Okay. So number three, a soft bristle brush must be set aside specifically for Shabbos and Yom Tov use. That's very interesting. Right? Using the same brush on Shabbos and Yom Tov that one uses on every day is forbidden. Why? Because it is considered weekday activity. So it's very interesting. It's one of the things is forbidden, which is, in general, that does not resemble any melacha, right? But because it's weekday activity, so it would be forbidden. So again, if you want to get this special brush with soft bristles, and you're not going to, like only for Shabbos and Yom Tov, you're not going to do it forcefully and only a few times. There is no problem. Continue. One must note that although brushing hairs is generally permitted under these conditions, if the individual knows that even the soft bristle brush tends to pull out some of the hair, or even single hair, he or she is forbidden to brush the hairs on Yom Tov. So as same as we said with gums, right? If somebody has gums, they're very sensitive, they would bleed. Even if you brush with a soft toothbrush, so it would be forbidden to brush completely on Shabbos. Right, the same as here. If somebody have these hairs, very, very what is it? You can pull it very easily, like sick hair, I guess. Like if hairs are healthy, you're not going to pull it so easily. But if somebody has these hairs, For sure it would be forbidden. Because why? Because it's for sure, it's almost guaranteed, like these ravens example. It's almost good. Now it's not always, it is guaranteed that I guess almost guaranteed that it's going to happen. So we cannot allow that. Same with the brushing of the teeth. As we said, maybe it's going to bleed, but most likely it's not going to bleed. So then you would be allowed. Okay.